Have you ever been outside whenever it's foggy? Maybe you've been driving or walking or running, doing something, and it's so foggy that you haven't been able to see 10 meters ahead of you, 100 meters ahead of you. Hello, everyone. My name is Claudia Ramirez. I am an inspirational speaker, and welcome to my channel. It is my mission today to help you be your best version. You see, sometimes whenever it's foggy outside and you don't take a step forward, you're not able to see what is ahead. And it isn't until you decide to begin your journey, it's not until you move and make a decision to keep going on this path that you're able to see the stop signs, the traffic lights, the buildings, the trees, the left turns, the right turns, the straight roads. It is until then that you're able to understand the journey and see what was ahead of you when before you couldn't even see a few meters or a few feet ahead of you. Your life is the same way. I know there's something in your mind that pops in every now and then, or maybe every single day. It's something that you want to act on. Maybe it's to mend a relationship. Maybe it's to start a business and quit your job. Maybe it's to start traveling. Maybe it's to make certain investments, to buy a house, learn about something that nobody in your family has ever heard about. And it's scary. I understand it's scary, and sometimes you feel a little tedious. I want you to think of that fog as really these factors. It's the fear of the unknown, self doubt, lack of confidence. Sometimes we like to have everything so calculated. Sometimes it's easier for us to take a step only when we know we are going to get something or what we're going to get in return. And that is why we have jobs, and that is why we have certain relationships, because we know what we are getting in return, and that feels safe and that feels comfortable. But it isn't until you take a step into the unknown and you step into what is uncomfortable that you're actually able to maximize your life. So, yes, I know sometimes it feels foggy. I know sometimes you have a fear of falling and just falling off a cliff and not knowing what is down there and not knowing if you made a mistake or not, losing everything, losing a friendship, maybe not hearing back from this person again, or whatever the case may be. But I'm here to tell you that in reality, everything is going to play out for you the way that it's supposed to play out for you. All you have to do is trust and take that step, take that leap of faith, walk into that fog, and everything is going to make sense. You're going to be able to see the stoplights and the green lights and the left turns and the right turns, and they're going to make sense to you. And even then, whenever you continue, you're still going to see fog, because you see you're growing, you are experiencing evolution, you're experiencing growth. And whenever you're experiencing that, every single stage of your life, you're going to experience a different discomfort. You're going to feel different obstacles or different problems that come into your life, but that's always a good thing. New problems, more problems really mean growth. Not knowing what is next means that you're growing. It means that you're about to get out of whatever situation it is that you are in. And that is a huge blessing. That is a huge perk that you're bringing into your life. So the next time that you're afraid to take a step, the next time that you don't know what's next, I encourage you to walk. I encourage you to go, because you never know what is on the other side. And if you're thinking, what if I fall, Claudia? What if I fall? What if I'm on the edge of a cliff and I take a step like you told me and I fall off? And I'm just falling into the unknown and I lose everything and I just feel worse than I do right now. My response to this is the following. If you fall, you're going to fall on a ramp that is going to take you to a mountain that is higher than the cliff that you were on. But you couldn't see that mountain because you were standing on a cliff and it was foggy, and you had to fall and you had to climb right back up to be able to see what you were missing out on. And it is then when you're going to be able to look back, and as we always say on this channel, you're going to understand that you live life forward and you understand backwards, and things are going to make a lot more sense. And it's going to continue time and time again, time and time again, time and time again. But just keep on walking, keep on trusting, believe that the unknown has something amazing for you. That is what I did whenever I started this channel. Something in me said, you have to start a YouTube channel. And something so tiny in me, something that was burning within me, it wouldn't leave me alone for 3 years. And I started it, and it has completely revolutionized my life. And it honestly goes beyond what I have created here on this platform. I have gotten so many opportunities, so many benefits, started several businesses just from starting YouTube alone, because it gave me so much and I'm so thankful for it. And I encourage you to do the same. If you like this video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys. I love connecting with you. And also share this video so I can reach a lot more people. My mission is to help 2 million people be their best version, leave the comfort zone and step into their destined zone. And you could definitely be a part of it if you allow me to. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to be your best version. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.